Shout out to y'all. We're back again with another video. This is curry chickpeas, potatoes, and peas. And of course, the easy part is cutting up the vegetables. That will be a potato, some garlic, onions, finely diced. Make sure you get in there, get them real diced up and good. And that will be a white onion. Of course, we got our spices, potatoes, onions, minced garlic and minced ginger. Put that oil in the pan. Let it get real hot. First, gonna throw in your onions, your ginger, and your garlic. Let that caramelize. Once that's done, nice and brown, light brown, throw in your potatoes. Want to cook those for about 8 minutes or so. Let them get kind of soft. Put your salt in there. That's pink Himalayan right there. You know what I mean? Something nice and healthy for you. Mix that up. Then next, got your spices. That is tomato paste, curry, turmeric, and some coriander. Mix that up, coat it up real good. We're gonna add that can of chickpeas. Stir them up nice and good. 1/2 to a cup of water. You know, figure out what tastes best for you or how much you need to make it saucier. That's 1 can of unsweetened coconut milk. Mix that around. So far, so good. Nice and easy, right? Let that come to a boil until things get a little bit softer. You're gonna bust open a bag of fresh frozen peas. Pour them in there, let them mix in with the bunch, melt and everything. Cut you up some nice cilantro. Then take your whole mixture, throw it in the bowl with some nice rice, some basmati rice. Garnish it on the top with that nice cilantro. And you got an easy meal that tastes delicious. And of course, you're gonna season it to how you want it to taste. But that's a real nice framework for how it should taste. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description. As always, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Broccoli Balboa. Peace out. Hope y'all have a good one.